My name is Luciano Floridi. I was born in Rome 45 years ago, and I now teach at the University of Hertfordshire and the University of Oxford, where I am a professor of philosophy and a fellow of St. Cross College. I'm one of the people who has been working on a new field called the philosophy of information.
So you are one of the founder of the Associate International.
Yes, I'm also the president. I'm also president of the International Association for Computing and Philosophy, and I direct, or rather coordinate, the Information Ethics Group at the University of Oxford. I do many other things, but it would be too boring.
I'm interesting. What's the aim of this association of philosophy of information?
Oh, the aim is to do two things. We like to approach old philosophical problems with new methodologies, and we like to approach philosophically new technological problems.
Okay, so could you just tell me why you are now in Paris?
I'm in Paris because I was invited to give this lecture on the Fourth Revolution, how to interpret the information revolution as a new change in our self-understanding. But I'm also going to be at UNESCO tomorrow to discuss new developments for a chair that I've been appointed to by UNESCO, the UNESCO Chair in Information and Computer Ethics.
Do you want to tell me a few words about that? Because it sounds very interesting.
Yes, so UNESCO has decided to invest intellectually in the analysis and understanding of the new ethical problems raised by ICT, Information and Communication Technologies. I will meet tomorrow colleagues from UNESCO to coordinate efforts in this particular direction.
And tonight you were talking about Fourth Digital Revolution?
Yes, the Fourth Revolution, which is seen as a development from Copernicus to Darwin to Freud, and then we may say Turing, new understanding of ourselves as informational organisms. This means that the information and communication technologies are not just changing the way in which we interact with the world, but they're also changing the way in which we understand ourselves as agents among many other agents in the infosphere, this new environment made of information.
And your last book is about...
My last book, it's actually two last books. One is forthcoming, is a very short introduction to information, published by Oxford University Press, and the other one is called The Philosophy of Information, which will also be published by Oxford University Press in a few months.
And it talks about this,
especially the short one, the very short introduction, talks about the Fourth Revolution.
and this is your term for the revolution?
It is, yes.
Okay, so what are your future plans besides UNESCO chair in UNESCO?
I hope to write a book on computer ethics, which is in progress. It will talk about artificial agents, the infosphere, and the impact of ICT on our lives.